channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this really fun summer makeup look. It's kind of inspired by Pink Lemonade. I don't know. I used some glitter for eyeliner today, so I thought that was really cool. But yeah, so if you guys want to find out how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, so we're just going to go right into the eyeshadow. So for today's look, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. Okay, so the first shade that I'm going to be using from this palette is just this light yellow shade right there. And I'm going to be taking that on a big fluffy blending brush to use that as my transition shade. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with a darker shade, so I'm just going to use this shade right up here, and I'm going to be taking that on more of like a dense flat brush and packing that onto my lid and kind of blending it out into my crease. Okay, so I just went ahead and did my eyeshadow on my other eye off camera, but now I'm going to move on to eyeliner. So we're going to be doing like a glitter liner type thing today. I'm going to kind of create a guide of where to put my winged eyeliner because I'm not that good at winged liner, so we're going to do that to help. So for this, I'm going to first start out by taking some concealer and a flat brush, and I'm just going to be using that to kind of carve out a wing shape for us. Okay, so to draw the outline of the wing, I'm just going to be taking my white NYX eyeliner and, you know, drawing a wing. Okay, so that's as even as I'm going to get the eyeliner, so I'm just going to move on to glitter now. So for the glitter, I'm going to be using my NYX glitter primer to apply on top of the white eyeliner. And then for the actual glitter, I'm just going to be using this glitter right here. It's a pink glitter from Bulk Glitters, and it's in the shade Pink Kisses. Okay, so I just went ahead and applied some lashes off camera. I just applied a pair from Marshalls because I didn't want to ruin any of my good lashes with glitter. But that's it for today's look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, you guys can check out my other videos that I have posted. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!